HMI software is a PC software developed by K&D that communicates with the CNC system through Ethernet interface. The PC can be used to connect and communicate with one or more CNC systems, so as to upload, download or send to data such as NC programs, system parameters, tool offset data, macro variables, coordinate systems, etc. At the same time, HMI software also has system monitoring function, which can monitor the system screen in real time and realize remote control of some functions of the CNC system on PC. This video mainly explains how to establish communication between the PC and the CNC system through Ethernet, and use the HMI software to transmit system data. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the PC to the CNC system. On the CNC system side, press PROG, file keys in sequence, then press device or the right cursor key to switch to the net page, and press the right extension key, param, to enter the setting network parameter page, where you can see the CNC system default network communication parameters. Among them, IP address refers to the IP address of the CNC system. File server refers to the IP address of the PC connected to the CNC system. Enter the PC control panel, click Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, Ethernet. Click Properties in the pop-up Ethernet Properties window. Find Internet Protocol version for on the pop-up page. Double-click or click Properties and set the PC's IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway according to the CNC system side network communication parameters. The following figure is an example of communication parameter settings. When there are multiple K&D CNC systems in a workshop, all CNC systems can be connected with Ethernet cables through switches or routers, as shown in the following connection diagram. Note: 1. When the PC and CNC system are connected through a router, the PC can be connected to the router via Wi-Fi, and the CNC system should be connected to the LAN port of the router via an Ethernet cable, but cannot be connected to the WAN port. 2. When the PC and CNC system are connected to the router via Ethernet cable, they must all be connected to the LAN port of the router and cannot be connected to the WAN port. 3. The IP addresses of the PC and the CNC system must be in the same network segment, but they cannot be the same. 4. The IP address of the PC must be consistent with the IP address set in the file server on the CNC system side. 5. The subnet mask and gateway set in the PC and CNC system must be consistent. Click HMI software executable file K&D HMI.MISA with the right mouse button. Click Next according to the software prompts, and select the software installation directory by yourself. When the software pops up the following dialog box, enable whether to install WinCap library, and then click Next until the installation is complete. After the software is installed, there will be a shortcut icon of K&D HMI v2.1 on the PC desktop. Double-click this icon to run the HMI software. Click Settings, Language on the software toolbar. The software will pop up the language selection dialog box. If you need to switch to English, you can switch the default language setting to English and then click Set for Default and restart the software to switch the software language to English. After running the HMI software for the first time, when the PC is not connected to the CNC system, the CNC system list in the left workplace is empty and only local file is displayed. When the PC is connected to the CNC systems and the communication parameters are set correctly, the IP address of the connected CNC system will be automatically displayed in the CNC system list in the left workplace. The CNC systems with IP addresses of 19.168.7.101 has been successfully connected to the PC HMI software. Right-click the IP address and you can select to rename NC system as you wish. Each connected CNC system contains the following items as follows. CNC system attribute. Double-click CNC system attribute. The software will pop up the CNC system status info dialog box as shown below, which will display the CNC type, software version, connection status, and IP address of the currently connected CNC system. CNC Remote Monitor. Click Settings. Settings in the menu bar to open the Settings dialog of the HMI software. disable the Using REST API to get CNC information checkbox, and then click OK. At this time, double-click CNC Remote Monitor. The real-time screen of the CNC system will be automatically displayed in the HMI software, and some buttons will be displayed on the right of the screen. The functions of these buttons are the same as those of the corresponding buttons on the MDI panel of the CNC system. Clicking the corresponding content of the soft keys at the bottom of the CNC screen with the PC mouse can achieve the same operations as the CNC system soft keys. At the same time, matching with the PC keyboard, you can view, edit and modify the machining program, parameters, offset, macro variables, coordinate system, ladder diagram, and other operations in the system through the HMI software. System parameters. Double-click System Parameter. The system automatically uploads the system parameters to the HMI software and opens it. The suffix of the system parameter file is .NET SPM. We can view and modify the system parameters in the HMI software and download it to the CNC system. Right-click the system parameter file and you can select Close, Save or Save As. Right-click System Parameter in the workplace, and in the pop-up dialog box, you can select Download, Upload, Send to, Replace with, and Close. Download, send data files from the PC to the CNC system. Upload, send data files from the CNC system to the PC. Send to, send data files from the PC to other CNC systems in the same network. Replace with, load the data file saved in the PC and download it to the CNC system. Close, close the data file in the HMI software. The operations of offset, macro, and work coordination are the same as those of system parameter, and all support operations such as download, upload, send to, replace with, and close. PLC parameter, reserved function, not supported yet. Program, right-click the program in the workplace. In the pop-up dialog box, you can select New, Open, Refresh Prog List, Download, Upload, Send to, Close, and Delete. New, create a new NC program in the HMI software and download it to CNC system. Open the NC program saved in the PC and download it to CNC system. Refresh Prog List. After clicking Refresh Prog List, all NC programs in the CNC system will be displayed in the program directory. Double-click any program with the mouse, and the system will automatically upload the program to the HMI software and open it. Delete. Use to delete the program in the program directory. UDisk file list. If there's a UDisk inserted in the CNC system, right-click UDisk file list and select Refresh File List. At this time, all files in the current directory of UDisk will be automatically displayed under the UDisk file list in the form of a list. Right-click the file under UDisk file list. You can select to upload and save it to the HMI software working directory on the PC. Click Settings, Settings in the menu bar to open the settings dialog of the HMI software. You can see the work dir. This working directory is used to save data files downloaded from the CNC system to the PC. The default working directory is in the installation directory of the HMI software. Click the selection key and you can select a proper working directory as you wish. After setting the working directory, we can save various data files that need to be uploaded to the CNC system, such as system parameters, offsets, macro variables, working coordinate system, NC programs, etc. in the working directory. These data files will be automatically refreshed and displayed in the local file directory of the HMI software. Right-click these files and you can choose Open, Download, Send to, Close, and Delete. At this point, enter the system net page, and the data file saved in the HMI software working directory will also be displayed on the screen. We can also perform operations such as save tongue, DNC open, refresh, sort, output, find, to USB disk on these files on the system side. Tip information area. The tip information area below the HMI software is mainly used to record and display the transmission information when transmitting data between the PC and the CNC systems. And, thank you for watching.